Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can save more time when you have custom makeup. So what you should do, I don't do this, but what you could do is you can go to free play and basically create a bunch of makeup that is generally used for these themes. For instance, this one is for like Halloween or like villain or whatever. Select this icon here, and then you're going to select the plus button so that when you actually play the game, you can just go to the makeup chair. If I can just press E, and then you can just select the makeup instead of like placing it on the face one by one. If you want to delete it, just select one of them and select the X button and press yes. But that's how you can save more time when you have custom makeup on Dress to Impress. I actually really like it. I think it's worth it. I think everything is worth it now since the new Halloween update. So you should go ahead and check it out. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also, subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please give a thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.